Questions on logarithms!
Product rule, multiplication becomes addition.
Quotient rule, division becomes minus.
Power rule, exponent drops behind.
In this case, we want to do log of y to base 10 plus 3 log of x to base 10 equals to 2. This makes me remember the product rule where multiplication turns to addition. But first, I'd want to take this.
Power rule, exponent drops behind.
This comes here as x raised to the power of 3. Let me rewrite this now. This equals 2. Then apply the product rule now.
Product rule, multiplication becomes addition.
Apply the product rule. That means that y and x raised to the power of 3 are going to multiply. Equals 2. But remember, what do you do to this 2? Remember the identity of a common logarithm. It says that the logarithm of a number of the same common base number is equals to 1. So log 10 to base 10 is equals to 1, which means that 10 raised to the power 1 equals 10. That means that 2 log 10 to base 10 equals to 2. This is the same thing as 2 because this already means 1, as we have here. Log 10 to base 10 is 1. So 2 log 10 to base 10 means 2 times 1 because this is 1. So this means 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. 3, the same thing. So 3 log 10 to base 10 equals 3. If they ask you why, 3 is equal to 3 log 10 to base 10 because log 10 to base 10 on its own is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So the one we're interested in is 2 because this is 2, this is 2. That means that you can rewrite this 2 as log 10 to base 10 times 2. That means 2 log 10 to base 10 to base 10. So this is the same thing as this because this at the end of the day is 1. So we'll write this equation. So instead of putting 2 here, we'll put this. So base 10 here. So considering the power rule, this can also be written as log 10 to base 10 raised to the power of 2. This 2 can come here. It becomes log 10 raised to the power 2 to base 10. It's the same thing. Considering the fact that this is 10 square, you can write it as 100. But notice that these are the same thing. This the same thing. So if I tell you that log of this to the base 10 is the same thing as log of this to the base 10, that means this is the same is equals to this. Because this is telling us that the log of a number to the base 10 is the log of this to the base 10, equating this to this. So we'll say y x raised to the power 3 equals to 100. So y x raised to the power 3 equals to 100. Don't get it twisted. Remember, if I say 2a equals to 2 times 5, if I say 2a equals to 2 times 5, it means that since this is 2 and this is 2, that means a is automatically equals to 5. And that's what happened here. If logarithm of this number to the base of 10 is logarithm of this other number to the same base of 10, you can equate this to this. That's this equals to this takes the position of this. So y x raised to the power 3 equals to 100. Since you're looking for y, it becomes 100 all over x raised to the power 3. That's our final answer. So we have looked for y. This is how to express y in terms of x. According to the question, it says express y in terms of x if this plus this equals to this. And this is y equals to 100 all over x raised to the power of 3.